England's northwest is the UK's largest centre for the chemicals industry, generating £10 billion worth of sales every year. 60% of the world's top chemicals manufacturers are based in the region. The sector offers immense diversity and a range of facilities, from incubator labs and analytical support through to world-leading contractors and globally competitive large manufacturers. In short, the specialist skill set in the region is truly breathtaking. For example, the Northwest has over 230 biomedical companies and 25,000 employees, including 6 multinational pharmaceutical companies. It is the largest producer of pharmaceuticals in the UK. Throughout the Liverpool City region, more than 80 biotech companies employ over 4,000 skilled people and generate annual turnover of around £250 million. It is the location of the new £30 million National Biomanufacturing Centre, a world-class facility set to become Europe's leading biopharmaceutical design centre and a central business location. The links between academic sciences and industry is also one of the most advanced and productive in the UK.
The biotechnology sector here is clearly growing. It started obviously with stimulus from small and medium-sized enterprises that people actually develop, and so there are plenty of organisations that you can actually work with in the academic sector. There's also the industrial sector that you can interface with. We're at the leading edge of working out what sort of new drugs we need for many of these tropical diseases. What we've done is work with organisations like the Gates Foundation, who put quite a substantial amount of money in, which allows us to do the early research and development to define what these drugs are, and then we can get partners such as GSK, Bayer, some of the other industrial companies to come in and manufacture these drugs and actually get them out there.
But perhaps the forefront example of science and innovation excellence in England's northwest is its position as a world leader in nuclear energy, having the highest concentration of research and development facilities in the UK, encompassing the entire support infrastructure for the UK's civil nuclear sector. Uniquely, this includes all the stages of the nuclear fuel cycle, from enrichment to fabrication and reprocessing. The environment for innovation and growth is nurtured across England's northwest through its world-renowned science parks. These are driving the links between entrepreneurial applications and cutting-edge scientific research in the UK. Daresbury, for example, with its high concentration of small businesses and its reputation for world-class scientific research, is an internationally recognised community of scientific, innovation and entrepreneurial excellence.
Well, the Northwest is very lucky because it has some major multinational companies who invest their worldwide R&D in the Northwest. We've always driven economic growth from science and technology. We have world-class science here, but our strength is applying it. And we apply it in a very wide range of sectors. Our basic strengths are 2 things. One, we have universities here that spend 10 to 12% of all the research investments made in the UK in the Northwest. They have a long history in the Northwest. Many of them grew from the strengths of the Industrial Revolution and advanced, and they can work in partnership with industrial research and development labs, and these are labs that don't just work for the Northwest, but they work for global companies on global problems.
The same internationally renowned talent infrastructure underpins the region's fastest growing sector, environmental technologies. England's northwest has an estimated 1,500 companies working in this sector, providing jobs for over 53,000 people and producing an annual turnover of more than £2.8 billion. England's northwest is a hotbed of specialist skills and output in every aspect of science and innovation. Our digital industries, for example, form Europe's second largest media hub. England's northwest is bursting with specialist expertise, including the Northwest Genetics Knowledge Park, now GEN. This works in 4 key areas: genetics and healthcare, genetics and society, genetics and knowledge, and genetics and enterprise. In addition, 4,000 scientists from across the world explore the frontiers of medicine at the 400-acre Alderley Park in Cheshire. The industry's regional heartland, Lancashire, is the UK's largest centre of aerospace manufacturing and production, employing more skilled people and generating greater overseas income than in any other region. But the Northwest is at the forefront of a new era in aerospace engineering, with a focus on new composite materials, innovations in engine design, supply chain excellence and unmanned aerial vehicles. 75% of all output is export. England's Northwest is synonymous with aerospace technology. The Northwest is also the UK's second largest automotive region. By now you'll have seen that the region is noted for talent and specialisms. The automotive sector has the same stamp of innovation and quality. Here we produce some of the world's most prestigious cars, and our facilities are amongst the leanest and most advanced in the world. Underpinning this is a comprehensive supply chain of over 200 companies. England's Northwest, through continued investment and advancement in knowledge and technology, is a hub for international competitiveness in science and a world leader for innovation.